What if a single ribbon could dance across your page, folding, twisting, and weaving into calm? Today's Tangle, Rambles, does exactly that. Hi, welcome to Hobby 101, your calm corner where we explore Zentangle step by step. Whether you're here for the stress relief, the creativity, or just the joy of pen on paper, you're in the right place. If you're joining for the first time, I'm taking part of EverythingIsArt.com's 31-day Inktober Tangles challenge. Every day we learn a new pattern and add it into a bigger art piece by the end of October. You can slow this video down or even pause and replay so you don't feel rushed. Rambles begins with a flowing ribbon string, loose, curvy, and free. Next, we add parallel lines to give it depth like a road winding through hills. Connect the ends using a straight line. Where it overlaps, notice how the ribbon folds. It's like origami in motion. Don't worry if your folds aren't perfect. Rambles is about flow. Let the lines wander. That's where the magic lives. Here I'm adding some decoration. I'm going to aura or echo that top and bottom line of the ribbon, just for interest. Here's where Rambles comes alive, the shading. Add shadow under the overlaps to create depth. Just a soft touch makes it look like the ribbon is lifting right off the page. Notice how the folds suddenly feel dimensional, almost like fabric. If you like this tangle pattern, please comment below. Now that we've learned Rambles step by step, let's weave it into our growing Inktober masterpiece. Watch how this flowing ribbon connects with the tangles we've already added, guiding the eye across the page. Watch how Rambles weaves right into the other tangles. It's like stitching the whole composition together. Notice how your eye follows the ribbon across the page? That's Rambles guiding the calm. See this fold? That single shadow transforms flat ink into flowing fabric. Even in the busiest tile, Rambles make space for the eye to rest. It's like a ribbon bookmark through the chaos. Don't worry about perfection. Shading is all about softness. A gentle touch shifts the mood entirely. And that's Rambles, a flowing ribbon that ties our Inktober journey together. Tomorrow, we'll explore Cochombros, a bold, voice-like pattern that sings across the tile. You won't want to miss it. When you like, comment, share, and subscribe, it tells YouTube these videos are worth sharing with new audiences, so more people can discover the calm of tangling. And don't forget to turn on the bell so you'll always catch the next adventure.
With gentle strokes, the journey starts. A canvas blooms from simple arts. In tranquil lines, your zen unfolds.